Hello friends, welcome to Tabla Lesson tutorial. We are now learning the Rupak Taal variations. So let's start the Rupak Taal. Variation number 1. The bowl of Rupak Taal is ti ti na dhi na, which is the teka we learned in the previous session of our video. So in this session we will learn the new variation. The link to the previous videos and English series video are in the description box, or you can also find in my channel playlist Tabla English Sessions videos. The link will be in the description box. So let's start our new variation. The bowl of the new variation is ti ti na na di di na na di di na ti ti na na di di na na di di na na. So how to play ti, how to play di, the single characters and alphabets of the tabla. I have already taught the entire video for you. That will be link in the description. I'll keep that link. So if you don't know, if you are beginners, very new to the tabla, so please watch that video first, then you can come to here to learn the Roopak Taal. So here I'll briefly explain how to play that. So how to pronounce that bowl from tabla. T T T T. We strike in the Maidan. T T na na di di na na di di na na. How we play di 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 na na di di na na. Di di na na di di. What should we do in di di di? We should slide a bit and come back, striking di di. When you slide front, we strike. We come back, we strike di 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 di. Close, open. Di di na na di di na na. Di di na na di di na na di di. Hope you get it, the variation, our first variation of Roopak Taal. Please subscribe the channel if you haven't subscribed it for the next videos. We will meet in our next lesson of Roopak Taal variation. Thanks for watching the Tabla Lesson tutorial.